Everyone, in this video we are going to study about the drug development. Drug development is a complex and lengthy process that involves several stages starting from the discovery of a potential drug molecule to its final approval and market launch. The entire process can take up to 10 to 15 years and require significant financial investment, scientific expertise and adherence to strict regulatory guidelines. Various stages involved in a drug development. First one is a discovery and target identification. The first step in a drug development is the identification of a potential drug target. This conclude be specific protein, enzyme, receptor or other biomolecule that plays a crucial role in a disease process. Researchers use various techniques like genomics, proteomics and bioinformatics to identify this target. Target validation. Next is the target validation. Once a potential target is identified, it need to be validated to ensure that it indeed plays a significant role in a disease and it is a suitable candidate for the drug intervention. This involves the conducting experiments in a cellular or animal models to demonstrate the relationship between the target and the disease. Next is the lead generation. With a validated target in hand, the next step is to identify or design small molecule or compounds that can interact with the target and modulate its activity. This potential drug candidate also known as a lead. Next is a lead optimization. The lead identified in the previous stage undergo a process of optimization to enhance their potency, selectivity for the drug and minimize any potential toxic effect. Medicinal chemists modified the chemical structure of the lead molecule to improve their drug-like properties. Next is the preclinical research. Once a promising lead has been identified and optimized, it undergo extensive preclinical testing. This stage involves in vitro, that is cell culture experiment, and in vivo studies, that is in the animal testing to evaluate the lead's safety, efficacy, pharmacokinetic, how the drug is absorbed, distributed, metabolized and excreted and the potential side effects also. Next is the investigational new drug application. After the successful preclinical study, the drug developer files an IND application with the regulatory authorities such as a Food and Drug Administration in the United States. These applications contain all the preclinical data and outline the proposed clinical trial in a human. Next is the clinical trial. In that phase first clinical trial are the first stage of the testing a drug in humans. They involve a small number of healthy volunteers and focus on the assessing the drug safety, tolerability and pharmacokinetics. The primary goal is to determine the maximum tolerated dose, that is MTD. Next is the clinical in that phase second. If the drug shows promising result in the phase first and is deemed safe in progress to the phase second trials. This phase involve a large group of patients, usually several hundred, with the specific disease the drug is intended to treat. The focus here is for further evaluating the drug's safety and efficacy and determining the appropriate dosage. Next is the phase 3. Phase 3 trial are the large-scale studies involving hundreds of thousands of patients. They aim to confirm the drug's effectiveness, monitoring the side effects, compare it to existing treatment, and gather more information on its risk and benefit. Next is a new drug application. After the successful phase 3 trial, the drug developer compiles all the data from the preclinical and clinical study into a NDA application and it submit to the regulatory authority for review. Next is the regulatory review. Regulatory agencies such as the FDA thoroughly review the NDA to assess the drug safety, efficacy and manufacturing processes. They may approve the drug for marketing, request additional information or reject the additional information. Next is the post-marketing surveillance, that is phase 4. After approval and commercialization, phase 4 trial may be conducted to the monitor drug long-term safety and efficacy in a large patient population. This stage helps to identify any rare or long-term side effects that may not have been evident in earlier stages. Next is a market launch. Once the drug receives regulatory approval, it can be launched and made available for the prescribing to the patient. The drug developer continue to collect the safety and efficacy data through the post-marketing surveillance. It's important to note that the drug development process is a challenging and high risk with many potential drug candidates failing at the various stages due to the long-term side effects that may not have been evident during the earlier stages. Successful drug development can lead to significant improvement in a patient outcome and contribute to medical advancement. That's all about the drug development. Thank you.